Welcome to Beauty and Beyond. I'm Clara.
And I'm Jake. Today we've got a very special episode for you.
Yes, we're talking about the cream that completely transformed my skin. And no, we're not being dramatic.
We're talking about the Revitalizing Cream by Jan Benham, cosmetic formulator for Jan Benham Cosmetics, Purèz and Pavèz, and the author of The Baby Boomer's Beauty Bible.
I started using this cream a few months ago and instantly noticed a difference. My skin felt firmer, calmer, more hydrated. And the smell? Pure aromatherapy.
Same here, and it works beautifully as a primer under makeup too. Lightweight, non-greasy, but really nourishing.
We're going to dive into what makes it so effective. And we've got Jan herself here with us today to talk about how and why she created it.
Jan, welcome back to the show.
Thank you, Clara and Jake. I'm delighted to be here.
Jan, this cream is truly something special. Can you share what inspired you to create it?
Yes, this cream is the result of years of formulating and hands-on experience treating clients with sensitive, allergy-prone skin, especially those with rosacea. I needed a cream that calms, heals, firms, and nourishes, all without irritating the skin.
And it's part of your phytotherapy range, right?
Exactly. It contains plant-based actives like immortelle essential oil, which calms inflammation and balances oil production. Rose oil brings in its rejuvenating and strengthening properties, while sweet orange and geranium help uplift the skin and senses. And one of the stars is the seaweed extract.
Tell us more about that. You mentioned seaweed in your book too.
Yes, seaweed is rich in minerals, polyphenols, and antioxidants. I've used it myself for years. It helps to remineralize the skin, support collagen and elastin fibers, and it gives that beautiful firmness over time. The seaweed we use is sustainably harvested from the coast of Brazil.
And there's silica in the formula as well, right?
Correct. Silica helps smooth the texture of the skin and enhances that light reflecting glow. The whole formula is lightweight, suitable for all skin types, and it's safe to use even around the eyes. It doubles as a primer under mineral makeup too.
It's a multitasker for sure. And it smells absolutely divine.
That's from the essential oils. No synthetic fragrance, just the natural aroma of rose, geranium, sweet orange, and immortelle. It soothes the skin and the senses.
What's also amazing is how ethical the formulation is. It's cruelty-free, plant-based, and packaged beautifully.
So if you're dealing with sensitive skin, rosacea, or just want something that feels luxurious and healing, this is a must-try.
And Jan is kindly offering free samples. Just email her at janbenham@gmail.com and she'll send one to you anywhere in the world. If you're in Canada, you can order directly from the local distributor.
You can also find the cream at purez.nl. And if you're into DIY, Jan's courses and ingredients are at aromashoppe.com.
That's right. Whether you want to use finished products or make your own, we've got you covered. This exclusive formula is available only through Pavèz, Purèz, and Jan Benham Cosmetics.
Jan, thank you so much for being here and for creating such a beautiful product.
Thank you both. It's always a pleasure.
Until next time, stay radiant
And stay curious.